In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image into a gradient background in Canva. Hi everyone! By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, blended look that's perfect for social posts, thumbnails, and presentations, and you'll know exactly which settings to use to get a smooth result every time. First, open a Canva design. From the home page, head to Projects if you want to continue something you started, or click Create a design to begin fresh. Pick a preset size, like Instagram post or presentation, or type in custom dimensions. If you're unsure, go a bit larger than you think you need, so your final download stays sharp. Next, add your gradient background. On the left sidebar, click Background and choose Gradient. If you don't see something you like, search Gradients in Elements and pick one that matches your color palette. If you grabbed a gradient from Elements, stretch it to fill the entire canvas. If anything is covering it, right-click and send it to the back. Choose colors that complement your image. Softer transitions and mid-tone gradients usually blend more naturally. Now bring in your image. Click Uploads, select Upload Files, and choose the photo or graphic from your computer. Once it appears in your uploads, drag it onto the canvas. Resize and position it so the important parts sit over the smoothest portion of the gradient. Avoid setting the image as the background. You want the gradient to remain underneath. With your image selected, apply transparency. In the top toolbar, click the transparency icon. It looks like a little checkerboard, and slide the control to the left to lower the opacity. Move slowly and watch the edges of your image soften into the gradient. There isn't a perfect number for every design, but easing it down until the transition looks subtle, often somewhere between a slight and moderate reduction, will usually do the trick. If the fade feels patchy, try nudging your image over a lighter or darker part of the gradient, or swap to a gradient with gentler contrast. When you're happy with the blend, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right corner, choose Download, and select PNG for crisp graphics or JPG for a smaller file size. Keep the default quality unless you need to reduce the file for web. Hit download and save it to your device. That's it. You've created a clean fade from an image into a gradient background in Canva. Feel free to experiment with different gradients and transparency levels to match your brand or mood. Thanks for watching, and have fun designing.